Please subscribe my channel and press bell button for more new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Scientists have warned that year 2018 would face more powerful earthquakes where the magnitude level will be 7.0 or more. A report published in the journal Bendick and colleague Roger Bilham, a geophysicist at the University of Colorado, Boulder, says that it can even reach 9.0. This prediction comes from the fact that the Earth is currently experiencing a periodic slowdown of its rotation. Bilham, together with Rebecca Bendick from the University of Montana, studied earthquakes occurring since the year 1900 that measured over 7 on the Richter scale. They found periods of 5 years where the Earth's rotation slowed, and these were followed by periods when seismic activity was heavier than usual. These fluctuations are usually very small, sometimes slowing a day by no more than a millisecond, but according to the research it has an effect. How and why is not yet known, but it's supposed that it could have something to do with behavioral changes in the Earth's core. The study published this October creates 50 possible simulations for how the natural disaster may unfold. Countries like Western USA, Southern Europe, the Middle East, South America will be affected more by this, reports added. Please subscribe my channel and press bell button for more new videos. Thank you so much for watching.